Okay, we've done a video of the emerald green 99 Riviera. And now I'm going to do a walkthrough of the newly painted white 99 Riviera. Already got this car dirty. You really can't see the metallic paint job, but this has got a new metallic paint job on it. Again, every component in this car has been gone over. New engine with an intercooler added. Now this car had 175,000 miles on it, and I took the engine out and rebuilt it, and brand new engine with an intercooler. Also, I have put on glass thrusters. I forget what the name, mufflers are. Here's the cooler for the intercooler. This is the coolant for the intercooler. And I need to take this car in for a bath. The engine part. Notice the stainless steel brake and fuel lines. If you got a car older than 20 years, you better check out those steel lines. They're going to rust out.